you can cut it out, you know, if I'm thinking, isn't it? Yeah.
Kieran Evans.
Cameron Coxe.
Mark Harris.
Yeah,
Myself,
I'll give it you.
Yeah.
I'll give it.
That was.
I'm gonna be up there. I don't know, it's a tough one.
You.
Okay. Me.
I think Brody's messy in the change rooms.
From Broadhead 100%.
Yeah, Nathan Broadhead.
Definitely you. Don't brush your teeth.
Adam Prisbeck's good actually.
He's alright, he has to come
Prisbeck's
through
good.
me too.
For Brandon Cooper.
Brandon Cooper.
I've only ever seen Brandon Cooper speak to FAWales before.
Brandon Cooper.
Not me.
Joe Lewis. Good. Good brain.
Brandon Cooper. Yeah, Joe Lewis is sharp, isn't he?
Probably Brandon Cooper.
Me.
Robbie Burton.
Regan Poole.
Probably me.
Say Regan. Plays
Good,
all the
yeah.
time,
Me, 100%.
Ben Kabanga. I just beat him every time. And I'm not great.
Yeah, Coxe, yeah.
Mark Harris.
Oh, that tells me. It's him.
Regan.
Yeah, that's all he does, play.
You or Brandon Cooper?
Liam Cullen.
Regan Poole.
Cameron Coxe?
Sparky's got a bit, yeah.
Gotta go Sparky. You've won some alright stuff, but you've won some Wales stuff.
I'd like to sing a song as well, but...
Joe Lewis.
Sam Bowen.
Coxe. With his spray paint jeans.
No.
Touch tight to him. Morgan Boys.
Definitely Sam Bowen.
Oh, you've just go in order.
No, it doesn't matter.
Yeah, no, go in order.
Okay.
Which tastes of music? Yeah, Coxe.
That's it, boys.
Where's was his on? The Europe then?
Where's what?
Where's Trim?
You know, said where's
He
Trim?
did.
Yeah, he did.
He said Aaron Lewis.
He was
Oh,
the
yeah,
worst
he did.
strings down there.
Oh, yeah.